Hello guys, my name is Samriti Tripathi and I study in class 5th. So, today's my topic is about the conscious mind and subconscious mind. So, let's start our journey. First, I will explain you about the conscious mind. So, what is a conscious mind? Wow, in which thing it help and what it store and how it help. So, conscious mind is the first type of mind. It helps us to take decisions, like if in our life sometimes we should take the good decisions and bad decisions. We do not know that what is good and what is wrong, so conscious mind help us to decide anything. And also it and now, like I am talking with you, what in before I will ready that how which topic I should talk with you and what I should tell you. These all things from where I get this information. This information I get from my conscious mind. So now you know what is the conscious mind and how it is helpful. Next is the subconscious mind. If you are thinking that conscious and subconscious mind are not different to each other, then you are actually wrong. These conscious mind and subconscious mind are different. So now you know about conscious mind, then now we will go to the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind do not know anything, it expect anything. Means if you my father tell, if you think again and again something, means you want to be a doctor. Means take example, you want to be a doctor, then you will think again that I am want to be a doctor, I will a doctor. Then the subconscious mind will expect that thing, that you are doctor, and then your in your work also the improvement will come of doctors. And also and when you get bigger and bigger, then you will get the doctor. So this process is called visualization. We should always do visualization also. So now you know what is the subconscious mind and conscious mind, and that two, and difference between that two minds. Now I will tell you about these two things who is very important. So our God has given us 100% of mind in every people, whether it is a child or me or you. So God has given 100% of mind everybody, but we do not use of 100%. We only use 1 or 2%. So only we cannot become the rich persons. Who are take the billionaires, means the Elon Musk, Bill Gates. These all use 20% of mind. 20% or 10% of mind. You can see how little bit mind will help you to make the billionaire. If you use your 100% mind, then you can be a god also. And you can if you, so most of the people only use 1 to 6% mind, so only they cannot be anything. If we want to use, then we should use our mind, we should increase our mind. If you will increase your mind, then you can go very rich and rich. You can do all things that you want. No, nothing is possible for us. So today's video, if you like, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe this video. Bye bye.